Everyone, let's discuss what this playlist will bring on the table. Here we will explain and explore each and every aspect of Producer API and will write Producer application in Java. I presume you know the basic of Kafka and core Java. If you want to learn Apache Kafka, please check my playlist Apache Kafka. You will learn the concept of Kafka and the various installations on different operating systems. Here we will discuss on Producer API and how Producer API works internally, and with the first examples how a string message with key can be sent using Producer API, and we will explore how to consume message using Kafka Console Consumer tool. We'll also see how to write JSON serializer to serialize Java object and send Java object with key to Kafka. We will also write an application to route CSV file using OpenCSV package and send all the records of CSV files to Kafka. We will also write an application to keep on watching on a directory. If any files is pushed to that directory, it will directly read by the Producer API and it will send all the records to the Kafka. We'll also discuss on synchronous and asynchronous send, and we'll see some examples on synchronous send, and also explore the concept of acknowledgement. We'll see the concept of callback in three different ways with asynchronous send. We'll have some discussion on the concept of partitions and custom partitions. We'll explore the concept of partition with an example. We'll also write an application for custom partitions, and we will use that custom partition in Producer API. We'll also discuss on the concept of serializer. Later we'll see an examples on our serializer using Confluent platform and how to consume our message using Kafka our console consumer. We'll explore an example on multi-threaded producer, and at the end we'll discuss on some producer configurations. So after all this, for what we are waiting for, let's start hands-on. Thank you.